Hey YouTube, it's Sal the Weight Loss Gal. I am coming to you after a long hiatus. I have been working hard since last we spoke, and I've also been on some vacation time and out of the state. I went to Colorado Springs to the Air Force Academy graduation. A friend of mine's nephew was graduating, and we did some hiking and went up in the mountains and took lots of pictures, and I had a really good time. My stats since last we spoke. Let's see. I'm looking at my notes here. Lost a total of 129 pounds since I started my journey. I'm down to 266, which that's an all-time low for me for at least maybe even the past 20 years. So my BMI started at 71.5. My BMI is now 48.6. I'm very pleased with that. I think I'm still obese or morbidly obese based on the stats, based on the scale, but down from 71, that is a big loss in BMI. I've been doing pretty good, lots better than before. I have been doing some workout. I worked out a lot on vacation. We did a lot of walking, and on the last day of vacation, I did some hiking. We went to Garden of the Gods, and I actually walked for about 45 minutes straight, pretty much. That was really good. I'm only getting, or on vacation, I only got about 5,800 steps, and my goal is to try to get back up to 10,000 a day on steps. So I'm starting to track my steps daily. I did really well on my vacation as far as eating. Still had 3 meals a day, about 1 cup of food. Even eating out was difficult, but I had lots of leftovers that I either pawned off on friends or just let the waitress take it away. So did not get sick at all, have any adverse reactions on eating. And so vacation was definitely doable. I'll do another video on kind of some tips and tricks for the weight loss community on what I did on vacation as being a weight loss surgery patient. I'm going to continue getting back to my workouts. I'm striving for 3 mornings a day. I'm getting up about 4:30 and heading to the gym and doing walking. Last week, or the week before I went on vacation, I got up to 2 days that week. And I'm doing treadmill, and then I did 1 minute on the elliptical, my first try. I have artificial knees in both knees, so I was a little, I just wanted to take it really slow, and I wanted to test it out, and that's kind of the second time I've tried that on an elliptical. So I kind of want to work into that just for some variety. And then I started doing weightlifting. I did weights today here at home, and I'm going to start adding a walk, my opposite days of working out, after work in the evening. I live out in an area that's got a lot of trails by a lot of lakes, and I want to try some of those out. So I'm going to start investigating that. And that's kind of my update. Moving right along, and now that I've kind of gone back to the rules of weight loss since I had the stricture, and then I kind of had a plateau for about a month, I'm starting to lose again, getting back to 1 cup of food 3 times a day, and the exercise is really helping. So I need to sit down and take some time. I just haven't taken some time to do this, but I want to set some realistic goals, some short-term goals, some long-term goals. I'm doing a charity walk in September. I think it's 2.75 miles around one of the lakes here, and that's going to be my first kind of big planned walk. And so I've got some work to do to work up to that mileage. And then maybe in the fall after that, maybe I'll see if there's another walk I can do, but I want to start trying to do some of these charity walks and have those as goals. That's one of my goals. I need to sit down and make some shorter term goals as well. So that's my update. I'm doing really well. I just wanted to check in with everybody, and I'll be back soon. Bye.